Here we are at 1197 Hammerstone in Idaho Falls, Idaho. This is a view of the front of the home. It does have a 2-car garage. White picket fence here. Covered entry, which is nice. As you come up to the front door, just one step up. To our left is a family room here. Try and give you a view, but it does have a nice arched entry with the ceiling fan. Good sized family room here with the window that faces the front yard. As we come in the front door, to our right is a coat closet. Some stairs. All the bedrooms are upstairs. The first bathroom is at the top of the stairs. Full tub and surround. Toilet there. Sink, vanity. Then this hallway kind of turns, and the 3 bedrooms are in a row. This is bedroom number 1. This window faces the backyard. Nice good sized closet there with some built-in shelving. Bedroom number 2, very similar to the first. And at the end of the hall is the master bedroom. It is bigger, does have vaulted ceilings, ceiling fan. It's a bigger room, and it does have its own bathroom and walk-in closet. Nice vanity here. Full tub and surround here as well. And you have a walk-in closet here with some built-in shelving. That's it for upstairs. Go ahead and take you back down to the main level. The entire upstairs is carpeting. This main level has vinyl and laminate flooring. Another arched entry as you enter the dining room and kitchen area. Here's the dining room. You do have an overhead light. And kitchen with an island here. Lots of cabinet space and countertop space. Dishwasher in this corner. You do have a pantry here with some built-in shelving. To the right of it is the laundry room. You have washer and dryer hookups here. It's a built-in shelving as well, which makes that really useful. And the small hallway here at the end is the door that opens up into the garage. A nice spacious 2-car garage here with some workbench areas. Just off the hall is a half bath, so you do have a sink and toilet. And just off of the kitchen is a door that takes you into the backyard. You do have a nice covered area here with some decorative concrete, fully fenced yard. And that concludes our tour. Thank you for watching. This is Home River Group. If you want to see the property, give us a call or visit our website at homeriveridaho falls.com. Thanks.